In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a workspace and organize projects and tasks for better teamwork. We'll begin at the very start, signing up and creating your workspace. After you create your account, choose a clear, simple workspace name that everyone will recognize, such as your organization or team name. Think of the workspace as your shared home base where all work lives. As you land in the app, take a moment to adjust your profile, notification preferences, and time zone so updates arrive when they're most useful. A tiny bit of setup here prevents confusion later. Next, set up your teams and projects. Teams represent groups of people who collaborate regularly, like marketing, product, or operations. Within each team, create projects for specific initiatives, campaigns, or ongoing processes. Give projects descriptive names and short summaries so it's obvious what belongs where. Choose the layout that makes sense for your work style, a list view for structured checklists, or a board view for a more visual stage-by-stage flow. Keeping team boundaries and project scopes clear helps everyone find information fast. Now add tasks and organize them with sections or boards. Tasks are the building blocks of your work. Write task titles as actions, like Draft Q2 Report, and use the description to capture details, links, and context. Group related tasks into sections or move them across board columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. If a task has multiple parts, use subtasks to keep it tidy. Attach relevant files directly to the task so people don't have to hunt through chats or email threads. From there, assign tasks, set due dates, and add collaborators. Each task should have one clear owner to maintain accountability, while collaborators can follow along, comment, and upload files. Add start and due dates to make timelines obvious, and include time estimates or priority labels if your team uses them. Encourage teammates to leave updates in the task comments to keep conversations connected to the work. Finally, enhance your workflows with features like rules, forms, and dashboards. Rules automate routine actions, such as assigning new tasks to a specific person, moving tasks to a new section when their status changes, or applying a priority when a label is added. Forms make it easy to collect requests consistently. Responses turn directly into tasks with all the information you need. Dashboards give you a real-time view of workload, progress, and bottlenecks, so you can make decisions quickly and confidently. That's it. With a solid workspace, clear projects, well-structured tasks, and smart automations, your team can move faster with less friction.